Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, you can see search bar, saved, bookings and your profile. Go to your profile, that's on the bottom left corner. Now on your profile, you can see options like manage your account, rewards and wallets, Genius loyalty program, saved and reviews. All you have to do is tap on reviews. There you can see pending reviews and the reviews you've already given. Well, I haven't booked any property in recent time, so there are no pending option here. Well, you're gonna find the pending property review here under reviews. And guys, that's it. All you have to do is tap on rate the property or leave a review. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.